Modern civilization believes it is in control. We regulate markets, we manage resources, we engineer climates, rivers, and ecosystems. But this sense of control is largely an illusion. True control requires full system awareness. Humanity operates with fragments. We optimize individual components while destabilizing the whole. We dam rivers without understanding sediment cycles. We alter climates without grasping feedback loops. We extract resources without accounting for planetary recovery rates. Control without comprehension creates fragility. Earth functions as a coupled system. Atmosphere, oceans, geology, biology, and magnetism interact continuously. No subsystem can be altered in isolation. Yet modern governance treats the planet as modular. Fix this problem here, offset that consequence there, delay responsibility to the future. This is not control, it is improvisation. A civilization in control anticipates outcomes before they occur. It designs systems that stabilize themselves. It aligns human activity with planetary mechanics rather than attempting to overpower them. Earth restoration requires humility, the recognition that intelligence does not equal dominance. That technology does not equal wisdom. The illusion of control is comforting because it allows delay. Delay of reform, delay of restraint, delay of accountability. But physical systems do not negotiate, they respond. Atmospheres respond, oceans respond, climate responds, mass responds. Earth is responding now. Restoration begins when humanity accepts that control does not come from force, it comes from alignment. To restore Earth, we must stop pretending we command the system and start behaving as a component within it. Only then does real control become possible.